Why do 90% of food lovers say our recipes are a game changer? Let's find out. Join our tasty community and discover mouth-watering recipes that will make you the star of any meal. Subscribe now and cook with us.
This is why you need lemon ricotta pancakes in your life. They're fluffy, zesty, and oh so delicious. Start by making the blueberry compote. Toss a cup of blueberries, a splash of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of sugar into a saucepan. Let it simmer on low until it's all gooey and delicious. Next, onto the pancakes. In one bowl, mix a cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, whisk together a cup of ricotta cheese, 3/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and the zest of 1 lemon. Combine the wet and dry ingredients until just mixed. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Drop in some batter and cook until bubbles form. Flip and cook until golden brown. Stack your fluffy pancakes high, drizzle that blueberry compote on top, and dig in. Breakfast never tasted so good. Happy cooking!
Why do millions of foodies tune in weekly to Culinary Recipe Creations? We hope to see you right back here on Culinary Recipe Creations soon. Remember to hit that notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, and share. We appreciate you so much. See you at the next recipe tutorial on Culinary Recipe Creations. Take care and bye for now.